Good morning, class 11. My dear student, topic permutation and combination is continued. Exercise 7.3, question number 7. Find R if. This question is having two parts. In part 1, 5PR is equal to 2 into 6PR minus 1. We have to find R. Dear student, we will apply the formula of permutation. NPR, which is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So it is 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial is equal to 2 into 6 factorial divided by 6 minus r plus 1 factorial. Here sign will change. Now it becomes 5 factorial upon 5 minus r factorial equal to 2 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 7 minus r factorial. 5 factorial is cancel out. Dear student, now we will break 7 minus r factorial till 5 minus r. So it is 1 upon 5 minus r factorial equal to 6 to the 12 upon 7 minus r into 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial. Now this is cancelled out. Now we simplify. We will multiply these two brackets. It is 42 minus 7r minus 6r plus r square is equal to 12. Then it is r square minus 13r plus 30 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this. It is 10 3 ja 30. So it is r square minus 10r minus 3r plus 30 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this. R common, r minus 10 minus 3 common, r minus 10. Here r minus 10 is again common, r minus 3 equal to 0. From this we will get the values of r. It is 10 and 3. Since there is a question, it is 5PR. So r cannot be more than 5. So r is not equal to 10. Therefore r equal to 3. Value of r is 3. Dear student, next is question number 8. Question is, how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation. E-U-U-A-T-I-O-N. Using each letter exactly once. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation? Using each letter exactly once. Dear student, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters. So it's very simple question. N equal to A, and we have to take all the letters. So R is also A, and number of permutations equal to the number of words formed when we use all the letters. Formed using all letters. So it is 8PA, and there is a formula of NPR. It is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So it is 8 factorial upon 8 minus 8 factorial. Dear student, factorial 0 is 1. It is 8 factorial upon 0 factorial. So it is 8 factorial. Now, 8 factorial is one of the big number. So no need to expand it. If we expand, then number of permutations it is 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. It is 56. 6 factorial is 720. So we will multiply that. It is 40320. Now next is question number 9. Question is, how many verbs with or without meaning can be formed from the letter of the word Monday? Monday. Assuming that no letter is repeated if 4 letters are used at a time. The first part, there are 6 letters, so n equal to 6. Since 4 letters are used at a time, therefore r equal to 4. Now, so number of the words is obtained by using the logic of permutation. It is NPR, or it is 64. Then it is 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial. It is 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now we will simplify this. It is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. cancel out. 6 5 is 30 into 4 3 is 12. So total number of words is 360. So when we take 6 letters from the word Monday and we will taking 4 letters at a time, then number of words are 360.